well, you guys have faster internet. I heard that a couple guys were coming up to hardwire my computer for me, but
crap.
I don't know if that's actually true. I think they're just yanking my chain.
No, they're going to be up sometime next week between 8 a.m. and 5 p.m. and the date. So you just got to stay home the whole time.
I'm always home.
They'll call if they can't make it out.
If they can't find my address, they'll call me.
Yeah.
Or 4.
Cheers.
Welcome,
How
everybody.
are you today?
It's the Tech Guys.
It's the tech. So we're back with one of your choices. This is your Bird Dog Hot Cinnamon, which you and I both like. Cinnamon whiskeys, cinnamon liqueurs. There's a problem. We can't really tell without reading the bottle. You can't tell if it's a whiskey or a liqueur.
Yeah.
So some of the things that we think are whiskeys aren't.
But this definitely says hot whiskey, and I can't even remember where I got this at.
I don't know. I'm a huge fan of Fireball. In fact, I made the mistake of buying it in a box.
I'm a huge fan of Cinerator, which I have a...
Now, Cinerator is not a whiskey, though, right? It's a liqueur.
It is a whiskey.
It is. Because some of them, like Hot Damn, Hot Stuff, those aren't whiskeys.
Because Fireball is
Aftershock.
like 99%. It's potent.
I love Fireball.
Not percent.
Or not Fireball, Cinerator.
I love Fireball more.
Not percent. Proof.
No, I said...
You said percent.
No,
that would be like 99.
He's an annoying little boy, isn't he?
You don't want to tell someone it's 99%.
I'm the Mr. Corrector.
So you got Bird
That's
Dog.
an important correction to make.
So you got Bird Dog. It's a Kentucky whiskey or bourbon? Cinnamon bourbon? Cinnamon whiskey. Hot cinnamon flavored whiskey.
And we got this... Maybe it was at Total Wine. I can't remember. But we were all together when I got this. I think it was Total Wine. It's
$18.99, so that's a 4-barrel. So it got a nice color, but not the red tinge that Fireball has or Cinerator.
Cinerator's not red. It's more this color.
Got any back here somewhere? Or are you all out?
No, you had a bottle, and I think you put it around the corner.
Maybe. Yeah, I have another cabinet around the corner, bookshelf, full of stuff. Getting a little bit overflown. Really working on our studio so we can start putting some shelves up.
Yeah, see, Cinerator is...
Oh, it's about the same color.
Same color.
Okay. And it's a whiskey?
Yeah, whiskey with natural.
Okay.
91 proof, I'm sorry.
So one of these days we might actually have to have an episode where we just try out a
Cinnamon
flight
whiskeys.
of cinnamon flavored alcohols, and you have to determine what is what.
Ooh, we should do that.
Guess the alcohol. Okay, so
Challenge accepted.
Aroma's going to be, this was 40%, 80 proof. Aroma,
It smells...
it's cinnamony.
It smells sweeter than some of the others.
Yeah.
Not as salt. It's not... I don't think this is going to be as hot as...
It smells like cinnamon
Cinerator
candy.
Or, we did the Aftershock, which was really hot.
And that was not a whiskey.
That was a liqueur.
That's a liqueur. And it is definitely
That's red.
red. So you can see.
This
So
one
this
smells
is
more
a
like Red
cinnamon
Hots than
liqueur. What's that?
It smells more like Red Hots than Aftershock did.
It smells like a cinnamon candy, yeah.
This
Like
Red Hots.
No, I think the
hot
Aftershock
tamales.
smells
The
more
hot
like
tamale
the red.
candy.
Yeah.
Okay. So what do we put as aroma?
I'd say it's a
Sharp
pleasant-
alcohol, pungent,
Pleasant.
mild,
It's a
light,
4.
or pleasant?
I'm going with a 4.
So light. A 4 for Andy.
Yeah.
I can go with that easy. Somebody's having trouble.
3.5.
3.5.
I can't tell if it's.
Did you not get enough Percy hair in there to?
I said I only wanted 3 cubes.
All right. So flavor. I love my cinnamon whiskeys.
That's not. It's a little hotter than I was expecting. Because I have this thing where on my cinnamon flavored booze, I'm pessimistic. I'm always think the glass is half empty instead of half full, but it's not super hot, but it's a little hotter than I thought it would be.
Okay, so on flavor, very alcohol. That's not it. Bitter but palpable. That's not it. Moderate, pleasant, or rich.
I think I'm gonna have to give it a 4 because
Okay. That is exactly what I gave it, is a 4.
I like the cinnamon, and this is not disappointing.
Mm-hmm. Cody's giving it a 4. So here's our problem that we're going to run into. It's not a problem at all. It's especially for Bird Dog. Is that our bias towards cinnamon might make this a really high barrel.
Yeah.
And it's not. It doesn't equate to a high barrel bourbon or whiskey. It's its own little bourbon or whiskey
You're not
category.
rating it. You're rating it on its qualities.
Right.
So.
And I think I'm
But
rating
you would
this
still
on a
expect
completely.
a 4 or 5 barrel to be
It's
almost of
cinnamon
equal.
whiskey.
Yeah.
I think I'm rating
You're like,
this on
"Oh, I
a
wonder if
cinnamon
it actually
scale
tastes like
instead.
cinnamon. This tastes like cinnamon.
And just for full disclosure, I've been on the search for the hottest cinnamon whiskey, so I'm obsessed with it.
So if you are a cinnamon whiskey, cinnamon liqueur fan, and you've tried some hot stuff, not hot stuff, but some hot stuff. Hot stuff's pretty hot.
Yeah.
And that might even be the first cinnamon liquor I've ever tried.
Hot
but
stuff or hot damn?
Hot stuff.
Because there's hot damn too.
Yeah. Hot damn is a liqueur, I think.
Yeah, and it's not that hot, I don't think.
No, but hot stuff was pretty hot. But if you know some hot flavored alcohols, cinnamon alcohols, let us know and we'll try it out. Bite, I'm giving this a 3 as a medium.
I'm giving this 4.5 as bite. There's no
That's a pretty big difference between the two of us.
the alcohol part. There's no bite.
It's all
To
the
me.
cinnamon.
Yeah, it's just
I was gonna give it a 4 too.
it's the hotness, but there's no like booziness kind of bite to it at all.
Because the hotness bite takes over.
Yeah, it masked it. Okay, you're giving it a 4 or 4.5.
4.
Yeah,
I'll compromise. I'm going to give it a 3.5 because I can still have feel that lingering alcohol, but also I can discern the difference between the cinnamon and the alcohol.
I can too, but the alcohol is very smooth to me.
Okay.
It's a hot. I'm liking the Bird Dog.
That gives me a 15.5, which is basically a 4 barrel. It's a 3.75. You have a 16.5, which is a 4.25, so 4 barrel. And Cody is going to be the same as me, 15.5, which is a 4. So this Bird Dog is a 4.
I'm bringing out my 8th barrel. I'm giving it 4 in the 8th barrel.
I would say that cinnamon flavored alcohol, which I don't know, do they have cinnamon flavored vodkas? And
They do, yeah.
cinnamon flavored gin would be nasty to me.
They got every flavor of vodka.
That doesn't sound delicious.
Yeah, it doesn't. I would say that there's no other reason to drink this other than straight.
That's me. I don't see why you'd want to do anything else.
unless you wanted a cinnamon, a spicy mint julep, because cinnamon and mint to me sounds really good, but a minty cinnamon. Otherwise, this is straight.
Maybe if you, and it could be nasty or it could be good. Maybe if you mixed it with like a ginger ale. I don't know.
No, that might be interesting.
I'd have to try
But
that.
yeah, I would.
I'm straight up.
I like it. So, Bird Dog, good
I
job.
do too.
And it's within the common man. It's under $20. If you like it, it's got a nice bottle. Make sure you hit the like and subscribe. Check out the webpage and the
Twitters.
And the merch. We got merchandise, shirts.
Fancy shirts here.
Fancy shirts. These aren't for sale, but we can
Hook you up
if you want polo. You'll just have to pay some little extra shipping. Yeah, it's good.
I think that's it.
Yeah. Remember, there's no bad whiskey. There's only good whiskey and great whiskey, and this is better than good.
Yep.
I like it. So,
cheers.
See you later.
Later.
Bye.
I'm gonna pour me another one.
Okay.
I like it. Cody.